If you've just been hit by a semi-truck near Sparta, maybe on Interstate 90, Highway 27, or one of the rural county roads around Monroe County, you're probably dealing with two things right now. First, injuries, medical appointments, and pain you did not ask for. And second, an insurance company already trying to figure out how to limit what they have to pay you. Truck accidents are different from regular car accidents. A fully loaded 18-wheeler can weigh up to 80,000 pounds or more, and when something goes wrong, the damages can be catastrophic. And what many people don't realize is this: within hours of a serious truck crash, the trucking company may already have investigators and lawyers working to protect their interests. That's why having the right truck accident attorney, someone who understands both the law and the trucking industry, can make a huge difference to your case. My name is Craig Steger, and I represent people injured in commercial truck accidents, heavy equipment accidents, and farm-related crashes throughout western Wisconsin, including right here in Sparta and Monroe County. And I bring something unusual to these cases. I don't just study trucking regulations. I actually hold a Class A commercial driver's license and drive myself. That means I understand how these trucks operate, their stopping distances, blind spots, how cargo weight and load balance can affect braking, and the pressures truck drivers face on the road every day. That kind of real-world knowledge can matter when we're investigating a crash, because truck accidents often happen due to things like driver fatigues from pushing too many hours on the road, distracted driving, including texting, unsafe speeds, especially in Wisconsin winter weather, poor truck maintenance, or mechanical failures, or maybe cargo that was loaded improperly or exceeds legal weight limits. In Wisconsin, truck accident claims are governed by something called modified comparative negligence. In plain English, that simply means fault can be shared between multiple drivers. But as long as your share of fault is less than the other parties, you can still recover damages. Those damages may include things like medical bills and future treatment, lost wages from missing work, damage to your vehicle, loss of earning capacity, and compensation for pain, suffering, and the disruption to your life. But here's the reality many people don't hear about. Trucking companies and their insurance often have rapid response teams whose job is to gather evidence quickly and protect the company at all costs. That's why it's important to preserve evidence early, things like driver logs, electronic data from the truck itself, maintenance records, and cargo documentation. These records can make the difference between a denied claim and full accountability. If you or someone in your family has been injured in a truck accident in Sparta or anywhere in western Wisconsin, you don't have to handle it alone. My job is to investigate what happened, stand up to the trucking companies, and help you pursue fair compensation for the harm that you've suffered. You can learn more by reaching out to my office at the number on the screen to schedule a free consultation.